Hello, fellow subscribers. Today I have a very special truck right here. As you can see, it is the OCD Meltdown truck. And this is a fan-inspired truck. As you can see, there's the little trademark right there. Monster Jam OCD, obviously. And it is one of 5,000 limited edition. There was only 5,000 made in the world. And here's the box art and all. You can pause the video if you want to read that description. But yeah, there's OCD Meltdown. We're gonna unbox it. So here we go. I'm gonna gently open this because this package is just too nice to ruin. So here we go. Try to do it here. I might struggle because I don't want to mess it up. Here it is. OCD Meltdown. This thing is a gorgeous truck, man. Look at this. I like it a lot. So on the hood, it's got the little toxic can right there, and the green tires, the BKT. It's even got Ryan's name on it, and it got OCD Meltdown. If the camera will focus. It's refusing, but yeah, there it is right there. And then on the top, it's got all the toxic waste, which is so awesome. There's the back. And these tires do glow in the dark, but I really don't have a dark area right now. It's currently daytime, but yeah. This is the OCD Meltdown truck. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video.